Today we're going to show you how to take dull skin to glowing skin in a couple of easy steps. The first step that you want to do is to make sure that the skin is nice and hydrated. So we're going to use an antioxidant hydrating mist just to give the skin a little bit moisture, and that's going to bring out the glow and a little bit of the sheen. So we're just going to have Stephanie close her eye. A couple of sprays of this mist is really going to hydrate and plump her skin. Now, a quick and easy way if you're going out to take your skin from a little bit dull to nice and glowing is to take a beautiful glistening product and just blend it in with your foundation or with your moisturizer. We're going to blend it with the foundation today. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, so what that's going to do is it's just going to give Stephanie's skin a beautiful, beautiful glow. We're going to use a foundation brush. I'm going to start at the top. A little bit goes a long way. We're going to blend it all the way down. And you can already see what a nice glow this gives the skin. I'm going to have you open up your eyes a little bit for me, Stephanie. One thing nice about having the little shimmer is that it also conceals any dark circles that are underneath the eyes, as well as hiding any little fine lines and wrinkles. The shimmer is a little bit iridescent, so it takes away from any fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and gives your skin a nice, beautiful glow. Now we want our skin to glow, but we don't want it to shine. There's definitely a difference. We're just going to take a little bit of a mineral powder in Stephanie's color, and then we're just going to blend it into the skin, and that's going to set the foundation and make sure that she still has a nice glow but is not too shimmery. Nobody wants to be super shiny. So in big circles you want to apply your mineral powder just to set your foundation and get a nice even skin tone. This is going to set her foundation, take away the shine, and leave the shimmer. The final step for Stephanie's shimmering, glowing complexion is to take a little bit of sunlight. This is a beautiful shimmery bronzer, and we're just going to put it where the sun would touch. So I'm going to have you smile just a little bit, Stephanie, right above the cheekbones, and a nice C up to the temples, across the top of the forehead, right down the center of the face, down the nose, and of course here on the bottom of the chin. You're going to have a beautiful glowing complexion. Just add a little eye color and a little lip color, and Stephanie's good to go.